The Turbosmart gated boost control valve is one of the best upgrades that you can make to your turbocharged petrol or diesel engine vehicle. All Turbosmart gated boost controllers feature our exclusive gate feature, which minimizes wastegate creep and can improve turbo response by up to 800 revolutions per minute earlier in the RPM range. TS means that you can increase the performance and response from your engine without even raising the maximum boost level. Stable increases in boost over wastegate spring pressure. The length of the device is 12 centimeters, the width is 6 centimeters, and the height is 9 centimeters. Yes, you can call it small but with big capabilities. Enjoy!